Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Honda HR-V. First, park the assisting vehicle close enough for the cables to reach, but do not let the vehicles touch. Make sure both cars are turned off and in park or neutral. Open the hood of your HR-V and the assisting vehicle to access their batteries. Identify the positive and negative terminals on both batteries. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. Take one red positive clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your dead Honda HR-V battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal part of your Honda HR-V's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. This creates a ground connection. Once all cables are securely attached, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for approximately 5 minutes to charge your HR-V's battery. After this, try starting your Honda HR-V. Once your Honda HR-V starts, keep it running for at least 15 minutes to allow the battery to recharge. Disconnect the cables in the reverse order of connection. First, the black negative from your HR-V, then the black negative from the assisting car. Next, remove the red positive from the assisting car, and finally, the red positive from your HR-V. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. If your car doesn't start, you might need professional assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.